Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style flour burfi. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 cup of raw sugar, or you can use white sugar, 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour, some hundreds and thousands for decorating, 6 cardamom pods which I have peeled and removed the seeds, and half cup of ghee. You will also need a grinder, a non-stick cooking spray, a piece of baking paper and a small dish to set the burfi in. Line a dish with the baking paper, spray it with some cooking spray and put it aside. You can also apply some ghee using a pastry brush. Place a fry pan on low heat, add ghee and heat it. Add flour and roast it for 8 minutes or until the flour mixture becomes runny, stirring it continuously. Turn the heat off, move it away from the heat and continue mixing it for 2 minutes to cool it down slightly. Take a grinder jar, add sugar and cardamom seeds and grind it until you get a fine powder. Add it to the flour mixture and mix it using a spatula until combined. Scrape it into the prepared dish and press it down evenly. Sprinkle some hundreds and thousands on the top and press it down lightly using a spatula and put it in the fridge to set for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out of the fridge, place it on the chopping board and cut it into any size or shape you like. My Fiji style flour burfi is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.